Okay, so today, this morning, I wanted to document the extra early dwarf pedigree P variety that I planted on September 30th of last month. Today is October 31st, and as you can see, I already have pea pods forming. So this variety is supposed to be extra early. They say 50 days to harvest, but this is much sooner. They say you're able to pick the peas early, I guess, so I don't have to wait until this pod fills all the way out. So I'm just gonna pick a couple peas. Oops. Well, I guess I can shell it. Might need some little clippers or something if you want to pop that pea with the whole pod without it splitting like that. But I guess we can look inside the pod. Let's see what we have in here. If I can open this with one hand. I planted the whole packet from Seed Savers Exchange. There's about 100 seeds in that packet. So this is how that pea looks inside of that pod. About 3 peas in that pod. We have a couple more on the way, so that's one grow bag. And as you can see, I have many more pods. The plants are, as said on the package, the plants grow to about 2 feet tall. That's exactly about how tall these are. I'm talking about there's plenty pods, honestly. So let's just go around and check out what we have here. This may be a different variety. Yeah, that's a different variety right there. Let's get some of these weeds off that scarlet strawberry. Let's see, extra early dwarf pedigree. This is another variety. Nope, this is it. So they're also producing pods over here. More right here. I guess I can try to harvest. There we go. I'm gonna try to make a small little stir fry with these today, just to see how well they cook. Now, I don't want to pull that. I don't want to pull the plant up. I just want the peas. Okay. Now I'm not sure if this is the perfect stage to harvest them in, and you may want to harvest it a little bit earlier. But I'm just picking them right now, and I'm going to test it out. I have some plants in here and some in there. Now these are much smaller because I didn't water these when I first planted these plants over here, or when I first planted the rest of my plants. Now I'm gonna come and clean up these weeds, of course. I may do it today, but I just wanted to show how this variety is performing after 30 days after direct sowing, or 1 month after direct sowing. As I said, today is Halloween, matter of fact. Today is October 31st, and this variety was planted on September 30th. Okay, y'all, so that's my little small harvest. I'm gonna finish harvesting the rest of these extra early dwarf pedigree peas on my own. I have to check my notes to see what other varieties I planted, but I did plant 2 other varieties. Here's one that's you can definitely see this is a different variety than the extra early dwarf pedigree because it's much taller. It's taller than the mentioned 2 feet, and it doesn't have any pea pods on it yet. So I have about 3 varieties out here, and we'll see how they perform in the coming days and months. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Extra early dwarf pedigree pea from Seed Savers Exchange. I try to save seed from this variety and make it available because Seed Savers Exchange removed it from their catalog.